Hi everyone, I'm Suyok from Online Health Guide, and in this video I will show you how to change name on Snapchat. Updating your name keeps your profile current and reflects how you want to be seen by your friends. So let's get started on how to change name on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app. Go to your Snapchat profile by tapping on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of the screen. Here you can find the name option. Tap on it. Now clear your current name and enter the new name that you want to use. Finally, tap on the save option and save the changes. And this is how you can change name on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.